Hi and welcome. Today we are going to take the tour. We were very fortunate enough to experience all the rooms, although we didn't stay, but still, and see what happened with
You see
me,
what you
the lieu
missed?
of watching it. चलते हैं आगे.
It's nice. Pay for this. Yeah? Did you pay for this? Only one person pay for this and if it's okay. Very good, very good. This is very good. Thank you.
So after giggling, enjoying the view and getting all into it, mesmerizing, we even tried to focus those Mount Kilimanjaro, if I'm not wrong, and see what happened with me.
I'm left. Hey, I'm inside.
Yes, I was locked. My God, it was a scary situation, not for a long time, but still, I thought no one will come back. Anyways, so if you see this, this is just in the main building of the castle where it's kind of an VVIP area. You can sit, enjoy, so you don't have to come all the way to the hotel. Your bar is there, all the arrangements are done. After that, Viking, we are going to the main Lord's room. Before we enter, or while we also enter, Lord's room is the most expensive one. You saw I showed you that red flag means someone has occupied it, and white flag means it is available. So, since this was available, we were fortunate enough to see. You see, when you
This
enter,
got
you
jacuzzi.
have a lovely living room actually. The midsection now where you see I'm standing is the washroom with jacuzzi and all the amenities. This is the bedroom, my friends, bedroom. You see the bed and now you see the view. I'll come back to the bedroom. You see what I have done. So yes, this time I was careful. I informed I'm in the balcony and we were enjoying the view.
Yeah.
I had Mr. Perez
It's
as
a
well, one
beautiful
of the
view.
teacher with us who joined me so that I don't get lost. Just look at
Hi.
the view, swimming at the highest altitude, enjoying there and literally mesmerizing. We were living it and really thankful to Miss Eunice that she took us to this beautiful tour.
Wow. Look at that.
After the tour, what we did is now finally I thought let me do some horse riding. They've got lovely horse riding as well. So we took our all over
Let me try this
idea,
one.
we came back, we were trying to focus on the
Yeah, you
Abadera,
can too.
our Mount Kilimanjaro, one of the mountains. Now you see this is the bedroom. They have a circle bed, yes, a circular bed. Then my friend told, let's enjoy by, clicking few pictures here and there. So I was like, of course, why not? If someone is supporting, just go with it. And I began to give my pose and all. Came time, let me do it. This is for my husband, okay? He's the one who motivated me, or rather said, go do something, be adventurous in life. Don't just sit like an old lady there. My God. Now, coming to this horse, these are specially exported from South Africa. So they have two of like these. It's got double the time of muscles than the regular horse. This is what I observed. Okay. So this is called Jamila. This Jamila gave me a big issue is because she was not ready to ride at all, or she was not ready to move. When I asked the guy, he told me that it is because she was hungry. Her all the friends are eating, and I'm the one who's taking her for the horse ride. So you see, they train you prior to you begin the whole walk or the whole ride with the horse. So this is what he was teaching me, how you have to control it. And when she saw down, I got scared. I literally shouted, I don't know, because she's so powerful. I had like no power at all. I felt like I don't know what to do. But then slowly, slowly, I like, no, for it's okay. I calmed myself, I paced myself, and finally I did the whole thing. You saw how I shouted, and I like, she's not ready to apparently cooperate. Somehow, the rider said that we have to lure her to the carbo. It's because of the grass, because she wants to eat. She's so इस घोड़ी के खाने के
Did we
चक्कर
record the
में
video through
मेरे लाले लगने वाले थे.
or pictures?
Anyways, तो ये देखा आपने थोड़ी सी अड़ियल थोड़ी सी ठीक बट हम भी डीट वो भी डीट दोनों चले साथ में.
Full
Somehow
right.
छोटा सा राइड लिया कि लेफ्ट राइट कैसे करना है. They guide you for everything. ऐसा नहीं है कि straight हम horse ride पे चल पड़े. So this is really professional aspect they have. तो ये उसको कन्विंस किया, हम चल पड़े थोड़ा बहुत, स्टिल यहाँ पे ग्रास था, शी वांटेड टू फीड ऑन इट। अब आया टाइम हमारा काबरो पे, लेट्स एंजॉय द व्यू, दिस इज द अमेजिंग थिंग। मतलब अगर बोलते हैं ना कि कभी कुछ जीना हो जिंदगी में तो यहाँ पर जरूर आना, मतलब फीलिंग ही अलग है। my our students, our teachers, the ones who had come personally as well, बहुत मजा आया। तो हमारी जमीला बेन चल पड़ी, बोली चलो हम तुमको ले चलते हैं। फाइनली हम चल पड़े और ये पूरा हमने नज़ारे देखे घोड़े पर, सब कुछ। विथ टाइम जब कॉन्फिडेंस आया, ही टोल्ड यू हैव टू मूव विद द मूवमेंट ऑफ द हॉर्स। दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज देन डूइंग। तो ये पूरा उन लोग कैसल आपको हॉर्स राइड पर घुमाएंगे। एक्चुअली मेरा राइड और बड़ा था, बट देन आई कट इट शॉर्ट बिकॉज आई विल नॉट डिनाई, बहुत डर लग रहा था। मतलब ये मजाक नहीं है इतना बड़ा बीस्ट पे बैठना, एंड फर्स्ट टाइम। यस, अगर बैठने की सोच रहे हो और आने वाले हो, प्लीज अपनी एक्सरसाइज करके आना। मुझे आई थिंक 2 दिन लगा पूरा सेटल होने। बिटवीन योर ग्रोइन एरियाज दुखता है, पूरे आपके थाइज वाइज सब दुखेंगे, इतना इमेंस ह्यूज है ये घोड़ी। एनीवेज, आप नजारों का मजा लो, तब तक हम बताते हैं कि ये सब इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, इसके लिए आपको एक्स्ट्रा फीस देना पड़ता है। तो इनके पास रेगुलर हॉर्स भी है और ये वाला भी है। तो रेगुलर का कॉस्ट इज डिफरेंट, इसका कॉस्ट इज डिफरेंट, आप श्योरली इंक्वायर कर सकते हो। अब ये आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो, सो मेनी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कम, शी इज एक्चुअली एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, जो अपना जो भी ये एक्ट कर रहे थे या रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे थे। एंड आई वाज फियर निकालने के लिए फियर फेस करना पड़ता है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई डिड। आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ कि आई ऑलवेज ट्राई, कभी भी डर के जीने में मजा नहीं हो। फिर वक्त था मिस्टर जॉर्ज को मिलने। आई वॉज सो ऑनर्ड दैट ही इवन गेव अस अ सुवेनियर। आई स्पोक विथ हिम और उन्होंने वेरी कर्टियसली इनविटेशन एक्सेप्ट किया, हमको बुलाया और दिया। And as an Aga Khan Academy, हमको praises दिए and he guided us about his whole journey. फिर क्या, हम हमारा अर्ली लंच लेकर फाइनली ऑन सेट निकल पड़े है। This cake is amazing. If you get opportunity, do eat it. Save it, in fact, for your tea time. Washroom में sensors, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do grow our community with like, share, and subscribe. Malsu, बीजी बार ध्यान रखो।